The Elyakim Ben Ari Group was founded in 1970 by Elyakim Ben Ari and has been managed for several decades by Daniel Ben Ari and is a leading company in civil engineering, industry, environmental projects, and transportation in Israel. The Elyakim Ben Ari Group emphasizes on human assets and employs hundreds of skilled employees who provide a professional solution in each of its fields of activity. The group provides services to the largest public and private companies in the country, including the National Roads Company, Ministry of Defense, Israeli Ports Authority, Airports Authority, Israel Railways, Dead Sea Works, Ayalon Highways Company, and many others. The Elyakim Ben Ari Group operates in 4 principal sectors of activity: civil engineering, industry, environmental projects, and railway infrastructure. In civil engineering, the group's companies design and execute complex engineering projects on a scale of hundreds of millions of shekels annually. The group carries out earth excavation works, road pavement, maritime works, and railway infrastructures. In addition, the company specializes in extremely complex concrete and bridge projects, such as prefabricated bridges, bridges cast on site with the ability for independent tread, pumping stations, electricity stations, and more. The company has a fleet of heavy equipment that include a variety of tools required for optimal execution of the group's projects. Furthermore, the group owns one of the largest fleets of trucks in Israel, which provides services to the group's companies and its customers. The Elyakim Ben Ari Group operates 3 quarries in Israel and Romania. Chotze Yehuda Quarry is a dolomite quarry containing reserves in the tens of millions of tons of raw materials and generates approximately 1.5 million tons per year. The group has a concession to operate and market sand from the Rotem Plain. The sand is marketed to concrete and industrial plants nationwide and transported by train and trucks. The group owns a basalt quarry in Romania that contains tens of millions of tons of reserves and supplies aggregates for concrete and asphalt plants. The group has modern asphalt plants capable of producing millions of tons per year. The Adorah factory, located in the area of Chotze Yehuda Quarry, and Har Shachar factory in the Har Shachar industrial zone. The group also has a factory for production and marketing of industrial sands on the Rotem Plain. These sands are marketed to glue and glass industries, as well as other industries. The Elyakim Ben Ari Group carries out environmental projects and is gaining momentum in Israel and worldwide. At the center of its activity lies Gush Dan's recycling site that serves Tel Aviv and its adjacent towns. The site receives about 1 million tons of waste every year that are transferred by trucks and trains to landfill sites. In order to transport the waste, the group has signed an agreement with Israel Railways, employing terminals in the center and the south of Israel. The Elyakim Ben Ari Group has an exclusive long-term contract with Israel Railways for construction and maintenance of the railway infrastructures, including laying the rail track, thermal and electrical welding, and execution of all supporting work. For the past 50 years, the Elyakim Ben Ari Group has been a leader in the fields of civil engineering, industry, environmental projects, and transportation in Israel. With skilled and experienced teams, the best equipment, and one of the largest fleets of transportation trucks in the country, it is ready to manage the largest projects of the private and public sectors in Israel and worldwide.